So here's an extra example. I'll do it with you. So first off, let's label our pieces. Our A is -3. Our amplitude is 3, because it's the absolute value of A. Our B value is 1/2. That's what's between the sign and the X, which means our period is 2 pi over 1/2, which is 4 pi. And then we don't have an H, so there's no horizontal shift, so we're going to start at 0. And our K, our vertical shift, is 2. So those are all the pieces we need. Drawing out the basic, sine X. You guys don't have to do this every time since you have it on your papers, but I'm going to do it just so that you have it in front of you when I show you how to do this. So there's the 5 points that you start with originally. And 0, 1, 0, -1, 0. And let's go over here and do our transformation for this. So our first point is our H, which is 0. Our last point is H plus period, which is 4 pi. Cut that in half, that's 2 pi. Cut 0 and 2 pi in half again, that's pi. And then 3 pi. So that's a nice, pretty one with no fractions on it. Then we need to do our Y value. Now, the Y value is affected by the A and the K. And so until now, you guys, I don't think have seen both of them. So what we need to do is we need to take this 0, multiply it by the A value, so -3 times 0, it's still 0, and then add the K, which is 2. So I'll write that out. That's 0 times -3 and then plus 2. Which I guess the more proper way in the form of the equation would be, we have 0, we're multiplying it on the outside by the -3 and adding 2. That's how we get 2. We have -3 times 1 plus 2. That is a -1. Obviously, the first, third, and fifth points match for sign, because 0, 0, and 0 are all going to answer the same. So then right here we have -3 times -1 plus 2. That's 3 plus 2, that's 5. And there are our 5 points. Go ahead. I think this one was easier than the last example we did. Label it out. So this one we're going whole pi increments. So I'll just go pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Ooh, that was a good guess. 3 pi, and then 4 pi's on that end. That was just a really bad line. I should erase that for you guys. There we go. Okay, and then marking, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -1. Those are going to be the 3 pieces we're sitting at. I'll use purple on this one, just because. At 0, we're at 2. At pi, we're at -1. 2 pi, we're at 0. 3 pi, we're at 5. And then 4 pi, we're back at 2. And there's your graph. Because it's negative, you can see that it's going down first instead of up, which the normal sine graph goes up, down, up. This is going down, up, down. So that's the negative showing on it.